Today we are going to see ChatGPT, which is an AI tool to generate text as as um, as a human conversation. So, what is a GBT? Is a variant of the GPT, which is Generative Pre-trained Transformer language model that is specifically designed for generating human-like text in a conversational context. GPT is a type of artificial intelligence that is trained to generate natural language text by predicting the text or the next word in a sequence based on the context of the words that come before it. ChatGPT is trained on a large datasets of human conversation and can generate responses to prompts in a way that is similar to how a human would respond in a conversation. It is often used in chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications that involve natural language interaction with humans. All right, so this is the description of ChatGPT by ChatGPT itself. Now let's search for something. For example, if I want to learn a Python programming language, let's say teach me Python. Only this, by typing teach me Python, it will teach us the programming language Python. Let's see what is going to give me. So as you can see now, it is writing and try to teach me Python programming language. For example, now it is writing about variables. As you can see, now we are going to go to the data types. All right, the data types, the operators. All right, let's see what can give me else. What else can give me? All right, control structures. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see more. Let's see more. Functions. You can define your own function in Python using the diff keyword. Functions can take arguments and return a value. These are just a few of the basic concepts and syntax in Python. There is much more to learn, but this should give you a good foundation to start from. I recommend trying out some of these examples in a Python interpreter or writing some simple programs of your own to get a feel for the language. If you have any specific questions or want to learn more about a particular topic, feel free to ask. Wow, amazing job. So what Chat GPT gave me? Um, uh, she actually gave me so much about this programming language. For example, variables, data types, operators, and control structure, which is how to write a a, a control, or how to write a program with the if statements and for loops. Python has several control structure for controlling the flow of execution in a program. These include if statements for making decisions, for loops for iterating over a sequence, and a while loops for repeating a block of code until a certain condition is met. All right, and it gave me an example here. So let's search about something else. For example, teach me English, let's say. Um, let's say what it can give me. Teach me English, let's say, even by typing or not correctly typing. If you're not correctly typing your question, it will know what you want. So this is amazing, an amazing AI, and it is very powerful. So now we are gonna uh, uh, she will now talk about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening and speaking, reading and writing. Wow, all the basic concepts and tips to get you started, as what she said here, Bob. Wow, amazing job. So, for example, let's say write about health. Let's write about health. Wow, now she is writing for me about health. Wow, health is the state of being physically, mentally, and emotionally well. Good health is essential for living a happy life. Wow, it's amazing. Look how these information are. Look how they are valuable. You can use this information, of course, in your whatever um, platform or whatever website. You can even make a website by taking this information and um, uh, putting them in a website or something, because those information are valuable. Let's read a paragraph of what she has written for us. In addition to these lifestyle factors, it is also important to pay attention to our mental and emotional health. This includes managing stress, seeking support when needed, and engaging in activities that promote well being, such as hobbies, socializing with loved ones, and practicing self care. Wow, amazing information. Let's now give me, so for example, search about, let's search about what, for example, what is the best car in, for example, 2022. Let's see what is going to give me. It is difficult to determine the best car in 2022, as different people have different preferences and needs when it comes to vehicles. Some factors to consider when choosing a car. When choosing a car include price, fuel efficiency, safety features, performance, and reliability. So here are the best. Few things you can do to help you find the best car for your needs. All right, so it seems that it has not given me a specific or it did not give me a specific car, but she was giving me tips. She was giving me tips of how to buy a car. So let's change the question a little bit and say, um, what is what is your, let's say, your pest car? Let's say, what is your pest car? Let's search about. As an artificial, I don't have personal preferences or the ability to own a car. I was designed to provide information and answer questions to the best of my ability based on the data and knowledge I have been trained on. My goal is to help people learn and make informed decisions rather than to express personal opinions or preferences. Wow. So it is not going to express her personal or his or her personal opinions or preferences. So it is designed to actually what? To provide information and answer questions to the best of my ability. All right. So let's say I want to know about, let's say I want to know about uh, how how much or how let's say uh, what is the average of of human age? What is the average of human age? The average life expectancy, or the average age at which people die, varies. depending on factors such as a person, gender, lifestyle, and location. According to data from the World Health Organization, the global average life expectancy at birth was 72 years in 2019. This means that on average, a person born in 2019 could expect to live until about 72 years old. Wow. So the average is 72 years old, based on health organization. All right. And this, I think, this study uh, this study was from 2019. Yeah. Okay, so this is Chat GPT or what or chat generated generative pre-trained transformer, and I recommend you try it and search for something that is good. And also, you can give here your feedback. You can give awesome, for example. Let's say awesome. All right. Let's say awesome or something, and then submit the feedback. So one of the nicest AI tool that you can try today. And as what this UI tool said, that it can be actually used in where? In chatbots, virtual assistant, and other applications that involve natural language interaction with humans. All right, so that's it for today's tool. We will see you with another AI tool in the future.